Hey everyone, this is a quick video showing you how to delete a server on Discord. To delete a server, you do need to be the admin of that server. But to delete the server, go ahead and make your way to the server you want to delete. In this case, I'm going to delete the server called my second server. And then right click the server you want to delete. Go down to server settings, select overview. And then in this settings menu, scroll all the way to the bottom. And you'll see an option that says delete server. Go ahead and select that. And then it's going to ask you to type in the server name again. And so this is called my second server. I know that. And watch, if I type in the wrong thing, if I just say server, and I say delete server, it's going to say server not found, or I didn't enter it correctly. So type in the full title name of your server, which is, in my case, my second server, and then select delete server. Now, before I do this, just know that everything inside your server is going to be deleted. Every member of the server is going to lose access to the server. It's entirely gone. You're not leaving the server, you're deleting the server. So everything in that server is being deleted. So then when you're ready to delete the server, go ahead and select delete server, and it's gone. It's going to take a second. As you can see, it was still there, but that server is no longer there. It doesn't exist. Everything inside of it is gone. And if I want to recreate it, I'll have to recreate it from scratch. And that is how you delete a server in Discord. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next quick video.